What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jessie Simmons back with another video. This week I'm sharing with you guys my experience at Lchampsbeauty. I got a silk press. I loved it, so keep watching this video. This is basically gonna be a voiceover because I don't want to get copywritten. I had knotless braids in for about 7 weeks, so you already know your girl needed a good detangling, a good deep conditioning to revive my curls. Look at that. Ooh. After a good wash and deep conditioning, we added serum to my hair and did a blow dry. I didn't get a clip of me straightening my hair, but you can see the clip right here. What I really loved about my experience at Lchampsbeauty, she really educated me on my hair. She explained every single step to me. Overall, I 100% recommend Lchampsbeauty. She is a sweetheart. She is passionate. She is extremely educated on natural hair. Just know that this past weekend, it was humid as hell and my hair is still good. So she is the girl that you need to go to for your silk press. All right, y'all, so thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time. It's Jessie, baby.